Hello students, today we start a new topic, bidding process in module number 3, tendering of a contract management subject. So bidding process for a routine work like concreting, reinforcement, shuttering and other similar work or works are involved comparatively lesser amount for a finance like 1 crore or 2 crore. Process of open bidding is followed, and however for a specialized work limited bidding or a restrictive bidding is preferred, and limited bidding involves dealing the pre-qualified contractor, and they are only given to the tender document. So here flow chart is given for a bidding process. So first step for a bidding process is notice for a pre-qualification. So notice is given in the form of the written in a newspaper or on a website, etc. Then after submit the pre-qualification proposal. So here all the contractor who are interested to do work is submit their proposal, and next step, third step is pre-qualified. So if contractor is pre-qualified, then fourth step is that, and if contractor is not a pre-qualified, so stop and analyze. And if contractor is pre-qualified, so collect the tender document and study it. All the document is studied by the in charge officer. Then after prepare a tender summary. So all the document is collected in office, and then after all the document is prepare a summary. So which one is a less amount or which one is a higher amount, whatever, and prepare a summary of the documents and decision of the bid. So if a contractor is selected for tendering process, so it's yes means continue process is work, and if no, so stop and analyze the work. Then after, if your tender is selected, so site visit and investigation is there, and after site visit and investigation, another step, next step is a consultation, queries, meeting and other associated work is there. Next is prepare a construction and related schedule. So here construction and related schedule, four part is there. So first one is a collection of the material information, second is a labor information, third one is a plant and equipment information, and fourth one is a other relevant information. So all these four type of the information is collected and prepare a document, and from the all the collected data documents is prepared and schedule is prepared. Then after determination of a direct cost, determination of a markup and its distribution, and determination of indirect cost. So all the direct and indirect cost is calculated, and then after determination and submission of the bid price. So at the last and least one is prepare a document bid price, and if project is awarded to the contractor, so accept the project terms and execute the project, and if project is not awarded, so stop the analyze work. So these are the bidding process. Next is next topic we start is study the tender document, drawing and prepare tender summary. So here study the document. So first point we discuss is a study of document. So the contractor on a receipt the tender document studies the general condition of the contract, special condition of the contract, the specification, the bill of quantity and a drawing of the project. So these main five things is studied by the contractor. So the above document are quite voluminous and usually the important points are noted down from the document and also depending on the type of the contract some of the mentioned document may not be there in a tender document and for example like a lump sum contract they may not be bill of quantity is there in a lump sum contract. So depends on the types of the contract which one is given by the owner. As per the given the contract, documentation is prepared by the contractor. Second point is the study of the drawing. So, although a set of drawing is usually issued to the contractor, like a bidding for a particular project along with other the tender documents, in case the drawing are not issued, the same should be inspected from the architecture's office and any ambiguity in a drawing to be clarified by the consulting the architect. Next point is a prepare tender at a glance or a tender summary. So here some of the point keep in mind during the tendering prepare a tender summary. So a typical tender summary report would contain the general information related to client, consultant and architect. Second is the commercial terms and conditions. Third one is information on mobilization advance, plant and machinery advance, and material advance. Fourth one is the information on taxes and duties. Fifth one is the information on terms of payment. Sixth one is the information of escalation clauses, liquidated damages, and about bonus clauses. And seventh one is information on arbitration and dispute resolution clauses. Eighth one is information on insurance. Ninth one is information on a facility to be provided at a site, and last one is information on material issued by the client. So while preparing the tender at a glance, the emphasis is more highlighted those points that have a financial impli, implication. And during the bidding process the contractor has to make a many decisions like to bid or not to bid itself in a big decision. Second is whether to bid independently or in a joint venture. Its a short form is a JV, a joint venture with some other contractors. And third one is the item to be subcontracted and the extent to which work is to be subcontracted. And fourth one is the decision on a construction to be adopted for the project. Now another point is arrange for the site visit and investigation. So the site visit is carried out mostly in presence of a owner or his representative. So site visit help to understand the some of the things which one is given at here. First one is a description of the site. Second is the position of existing services. Third one is a description of a ground condition. Fourth one is available of a labor in vicinity of site. Fifth one is a assessment of security and law and order situation. Then after sixth one is a description of access to the site. Seventh is a topographical details on the site. Eight is availability of the water and power. Ninth is the facility available for waste and access or disposal. And tenth is a description of any demolition work or a temporary work to adjoin the building. Now, it is advisable to carry a format of a questionnaire that need to fill up during the site visit. The information need to prepare estimate is readily available. So the site investigation help to collect the general information related to site, information of a law and regulation, meteorological information, information related to access to the project site by road and rail, air and water routes, and information on a public utility and services, information on a material availability and their rates, information on a site topography, information on a basic inputs for estimating material rates, and information on a site facility, information about the labor facility and their rates, and information on subcontract uh, contractor availability and their rates for a different item and work. And the last one is information availability on a plant and machinery and their routes. Now, next topic we discuss consultation, meeting and other work. So this point is discussed in a next lecture. So here we stop our topic. Thank you.